Nice. So this is just a sample of the flashcards that can be created using Brainscape. So I read an article on bees and their behavior and how you can relate it to social distancing. And these are the questions I developed. Question 1. Why are bees vulnerable to disease and parasites? The answer is bees live in colonies, which means that they live in groups and close together. This allows diseases and parasites to spread quickly and easily. What is one way bees prevent diseases or parasites from coming into the hive? Bees are strategic and very organized. They protect young bees and the queen by having them live at the center of the hive where they keep safe. Question 3. What is a forager bee? A forager bee is in charge of supplying food for the hive. They fly out of the hive and into the environment, flying flower to flower to collect pollen. And I noticed I had a little typo here, so I can click Edit, delete that period, submit, and it's done. Perfect. Question 5. Why does a forager bee have to be especially careful? Foragers fly out of the hive and into the environment, flying flower to flower to collect pollen. So I'm going to correct that again. And so that means sometimes they run into parasites and bring them back to the hive. What does the article mean when it says bees use social distancing? Forager bees, so again, the bees that collect and bring food back to the hive, they stay closer to the outer edge of the hive when they bring back food. Also, younger bees and the queens stay at the center of the hive.